Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tips and Tricks here at Karl Chevrolet in Ankeny. Today we're going to be talking about the Wi-Fi capability that we have in our vehicle. So with OnStar, you have a 4G LTE mobile hotspot inside the vehicle. On both new and pre-owned vehicles, you get 3 gigabytes for 1 month of Wi-Fi in the car. After that, you can continue with 1 gigabyte for $10 a month or unlimited for $25. So we're going to talk about retrieving your Wi-Fi settings inside the vehicle. If you have your vehicle, you already have Wi-Fi in the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we can either press the OnStar button on our rear view mirror, or we have the capability on our touch screen to go to OnStar. If I press on one of these buttons here,
OnStar ready.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. Please see the owner's manual for information about your Wi-Fi hotspot setting.
I can simply state Wi-Fi and my username and password pops up on my display. Thanks for tuning in for this week's Tips and Tricks here at Karl Chevrolet. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a message or stop on out and see us exit 90 at the Rock.